Have you ever wondered how to stop or block annoying notifications from blowing up your phone? If so, stay tuned to find out how. Alright, so in order to stop or block notifications from appearing on your notification bar, right, for this video, I'm going to block/stop this app right here from showing up. So all you have to do is go to your settings, go to right here where it says device, depending on what phone you have, but for mine I have to go to device, and then go right here where it says sound and display. Yours may be a little bit different, but just go to sound and display, then go to sound notification, click on that. You're going to scroll down to where you see where it says notification, and then you're going to click on application notifications. Once you click on that, it's going to have to load a few minutes. Alright, so I'm about to scroll down, and so for this particular app that I'm going to stop, it's going to be called Peel Remote, which is right here for me. And then you'll click right here where it says block all notification from this application. Or if you have certain ones that you like to do, so you could go right here, and all this does is just put the app in do not disturb mode. So, but I want to block all the notification from this app. So I'm gonna click right here where it says block, and as you can see at the top, but as you can see, it's no longer there. So that is how you block or stop notifications from appearing on your notification bar. Woo, that was a struggle. Thank you for watching, and remember to always stay quirky. That is highly important. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that like button. Last but not least, make sure you hit that bell to get down with the notification squad.
Sure, but my brain tells me I've been here before. Don't wanna draw any attention to all the crazy things that I shouldn't mention. Not really sure, but it feels like my feet are glued to the floor. Don't wanna open up my mouth, 'cause I'm afraid